happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
तुम्हें देखकर जीता हूँ मैं, तुम ही तो हो मेरी जिंदगी।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to my dear friend. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tulika. Wish you a lovely day, a lovely year. May all your wishes come true. May Allah grant all your wishes. May Allah fulfill all your wishes. जो भी तमन्नाएं हैं तुम्हारी सब पूरी हो जाएं. Love you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tulika. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tulika. Thanks a lot for adding so much zinc and masala to my life. Thank you so much. Love you and God bless you. Happy birthday. Love you.
Hi Tuli, many happy returns of the day, dear. Today, as a message for your birthday, I would like to sing few lines of a song which according to me is the essence of real you as a person, as a friend and as a human being. So the lines of the song are: तुमको देखा तो ये ख्याल आया, जिंदगी धूप तुम घना साया. Yes, this is what I feel you are. The way you make each one of us feel so special on her special day. I would just only pray to God to always make you happy and always bless you with the life's finest thing. So have a wonderful day and stay blessed and have the happiest birthday ever. Love you, dear. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tulika. Happy birthday to you.
Birthday Tulika, wishing you all the happiness, good health and everything that makes you happy. May you always stay blessed and happy. तुम्हारा साल खूब अच्छा जाए, खूब खुश रहो. Thank you so much for always being there for me. Love you to the moon and back. Celebrate your day and Bhagwan तुमको millions of reasons there to celebrate. And wishing you plenty more birthdays. Love you. Take care.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Tulika. Wish I had met you in person, but 2020 has other plans for us.
Happy birthday, dear Tulika. Wishing you loads and loads of happiness and love. May you have lots of happiness today and always. ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं from all of us. Happy birthday, dear. Take care. We all love you a lot and hope your birthday is special. Shabana is taking all this pains to make your birthday a special one, and we all want it to be a special one because you make it so special for everyone and you're such a loving and caring person. Love you. Take care. Bye.
Happy birthday, Tulika auntie. This song is dedicated to you. मेरी जिंदगी सफारी मुझको गले लगा के बैठा दिया फलक में, मुझे खाक से उठा के यारा तेरी यारी को मैंने तो खुदा माना, याद करेगी दुनिया तेरा मेरा अफसाना. Happy birthday, Tulika auntie.
Happy birthday, Tulika. May God bless you. May you always remain happy, healthy, safe and blessed. Once again, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tulika. Happy birthday to you. Dearest Tulika, the most loving, caring, friendly, cheerful, the girl with a great sense of humor and full of love. Dear, have a rocking day ahead. Have loads of fun and a marvelous year ahead. Happy birthday.
Hi, happy birthday Tulika. May God bless you with everything in the world that you want for yourself. Big hug from Bangalore. God bless and love you.
Hello Tulika, how are you? Happy birthday to you. May God bless you abundantly. And you are the most wonderful girl of our batch. And also you are very helpful. Though I am far apart, but still whatever I say, you always listen to me and are always ready to help others. In Telugu, I would like to say Veyi Dhanulto Veyeli Jeevitam, which means lot of good money and lot of good health. Stay blessed. Bye. See you.
Hi Tulika, happy birthday dear. You are unique, you are amazing, you are special and you are loved so much. May God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday Tulika. May you have a wonderful year, full with lots of love, happiness, smiles, laughter, healthy year in spite of all the negativity around us. God bless you. Stay happy, keep smiling and keep shining. Lots of love.
Hi Tulika, wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you. I love you a lot. Wish you a very happy birthday, bestie. And I would like to dedicate this song to you. बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, तू जिए हजारों साल है मेरी ये आरज़ू. Happy birthday to you, Lala. Happy birthday to you, Lala. Happy birthday, dear Tuli. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. Love you loads. Happy birthday, bestie. And I would like to, give you Dadi Ji's blessings also. And here we go.
हैप्पी बर्थडे टुलू सिंह, तुमको ढेर सारा प्यार और ढेर सारी खुशियाँ.
हाय तुलिका, many happy returns of the day babes. आवाज़ तो ज़्यादा साथ नहीं दे रही, बट दिल के अंदर की आवाज़ तेरे लिए हमेशा एक जैसी रहेगी. स्टे वेल, स्टे हेल्दी. लव यू लोड्स. You know that. Love you darling. Bye bye.
Hi Tulika, how are you doing? Wish you many happy returns of the day. Love you. Bye.
Hello. A very happy birthday to you, Tulika. Wish you great health, happiness, prosperity always. Be happy, be safe, stay home. Bye-bye.
Hey Tulika, wishing you a very happy and blessed birthday. May God bless you abundantly, sweetheart. Bye.
Tulika, now last performance for you. A duet song and dance from Suhan and me for you.
Happy birthday to you, Tulika.